Easy cleaning, consists of 3 rows of thicker stainless steel bristles that are in perfect balance between stiff and flexible, neither too rigid so cause unwanted scratch nor easy to be flattened out so lead to useless. Just a simple rotate, you can 360 degrees thoroughly clean every bit of stubborn stains out of all corners and edges of your grill, not just the top. Along with an extra solid and sharp scraper, cut your cleaning time in half is definitely not a dream. Safer cleaning, no possibility of wire falling off. Do not want to give up the wire brush's fast cleaning speed but too afraid of the possibility of wire falling off? We got the perfect solution for you. All bristles of this brush are very tightly twisted into the heavy wire frame through improved technology, which can greatly reduce the possibility of wire shedding compared with other similar ones on the market. A fast and much more safer cleaning tool that every grill master loves. Never breaking, 18-inch reinforced easy-to-use handle. 18-inch long handle gives you the most perfect leverage and keeps your hands away from high heat. Anybody can easy control it to fully brush the whole area of your grill from the top to the edge, even the bottom. Reinforced design without thickening the thickness of the handle width, aimed to give you the durability without sacrificing the nicer grip experience. Quality or comfortable grip feeling, must choose one? No, you deserve both. Longer lasting, sturdier construction, the whole brush is made of superior quality material, not just the handle but every component of the brush you can see, got a good weight but not too heavy when you hold it, nothing is fragile. You can feel free to apply as much pressure as you like, the whole grill brush will always stay integrated, nothing falls off or breaks/cracks/rust. Far more superior and lasts much longer than others. Take it home, time tells all. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great for a bit but snapped in half. This brush worked great for a bit but snapped in half right where the metal goes into the plastic handle. I didn't put too much pressure on it either.